So if you consider this transformer, many people may miss this point. I want to note it down. See here, when you applied a AC voltage source, obviously AC current source will be flown through this winding. As the transformer is on no load, a magnetic flux will be set up in the core. The important point is, we know that the induced EMF in the transformer E equals to root 2 pi f phi max into n, where n is the number of turns on the excitation side. So from this, one can easily verify that phi max is equal to E by root 2 pi f n. So root 2 pi, it's a constant, and once the design is considered, n will be a constant. So phi max will solely depend on excitation over frequency. So for in general design considerations, E and F would be pretty much they will keep pretty much constant. They won't change rapidly. So once these two terms are fixed, then phi max would be fixed. So the point is, you take any magnetic material, the core used will be some magnetic material. You take any magnetic material, nonetheless, whatever the magnetic material you took, the phi max, amount of phi max would be same. Okay, you take any material, even if you keep some outdated or unused, some very less downgraded magnetic material, the phi max, the amount of phi max would be fixed. Even if you keep the best magnetic material, or contrary to that, a downgraded magnetic material, phi max will be fixed, because phi max solely depend on E and F, which are pretty constants. Now the point is, what is the advantage of using better magnetic material then? If phi max is fixed, what is the main advantage of using better magnetic material? In order to know that, one has to draw the BH curve. So if you take the BH curve like this, suppose I have taken this is B and this is H. Okay, H is directly proportional to I and B is directly proportional to phi. Okay, suppose I have taken some downgraded or least used magnetic material. Suppose its BH characteristics is something like this. Okay, now let us assume at this point this is the B max. Okay, as B max is directly proportional to phi max, as phi max is fixed by E and F, which are pretty constant, so B max will be fixed. So this will be fixed irrespective of the material used. So to generate this much of B max in the magnetic core, for this material, let us take this material 1. This is material 1. This much of amount is required. As H is directly proportional to I, so this much of I max required to create B max for this material. Suppose one has come up with a solution and they have used some better material than material 1. So I will name that material as material 2. So its BH characteristics is something like this. This is material 2. So material 2 is better than material 1. So the amount of B max will be still the same, but you see here, to create that much of B max, the current requirement would suddenly become very less. This is I, if I consider this as I max 1, this is I max 2. So for the material 1, much more current is drawing from the source. If you use better material, much more current is lesser when it compared to I max 1. So the current drawn from the source drastically reduced in the second case. So if you go and keep a better material, best material like silicon steel, the BH curve is almost something like this. This is for material 3, which is best. If you consider, see the current requirement, it is almost a very small requirement. This is I max 3. Very small requirement is very small requirement of current is enough to create the rated flux. In ideal case, what happens? The ideal characteristics would lie like this. This is the ideal BH characteristics would be linear. Sorry, not linear. In ideally, the characteristics would be something like this. Then what happens is, see, to create Bmax, no current is required, zero current is required ideally, but in practice no material is ideal. So the best material, what people do is they use best material available in the market, such that the current drawn from the source would be less. See, what is the current I am discussing here? This is the current drawn from the source. People named this current because this current is responsible to create the rated flux in the core material. This current is, people named it as magnetizing current. Magnetizing current. So this current is, once it is fixed from no load to full load. Even it is even in the case of no load, and if you keep some load and you go on increase the load, nonetheless the 5max, once it is set up, it will be same from no load to full load. Okay, if the transformer principle, in transformer principle, you would come to know that if it is drawing higher amount of currents, if I switch this load and I am keep on increasing the load, this would obviously withdraw high currents. So this current will be this MMF created by this current will be compensated by the reflected current, which will be the additional current that will be drawn from the supply side. So anyway, that is the transformer principle topic. So the main point here is 5max is independent of the material used. The 5max will be decided with the supply excitation and frequency. Once these two are kept constant, 5max will be constant irrespective of the material used. So what is the main advantage of using best material in the market? The main advantage is the current required to establish that 5max in the magnetic core will be lesser. If the current requirement is less, even if the winding has some resistances, so the amount of power dissipated in this winding would be less and efficiency would be very much high. Thank you.